हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूँ राधा और मैं मिस राग की सेक्रेटरी हूँ। आपको पता है कि मैं आज आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर कराऊंगी जो मिस राग ने मुझे बताया है, और ये बिल्कुल सटीक और आसान है, जिससे आपको याद करने में थोड़ी भी परेशानी नहीं होगी। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। स्लीप, द सेकंड चैप्टर ऑफ क्लास 8 इंग्लिश। P.1 Think and tell. 1. For how long does an average adult sleep? Answer. An average adult sleeps 7 hours and 20 minutes. 2. What are the most common causes of sleep problems? Answer. Stress and depression are the most common causes of sleep problems. 3. Tell some of the factors which affect sleep. Also add some new things which are not mentioned in the passage. Answer. Noise, light, heat, cold and fear or tension are the factors which affect sleep. 4. When do the bodily functions get slow? Answer. In the middle of night the bodily functions get slow. P.2.1 क्वेश्चन का फोटो आपको स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा होगा, जो मैंने आपकी बुक से लिया है। मैं तुम्हें सीधा आंसर बताती हूँ, जल्दी जल्दी लिखना बच्चों, मैं बोलते बोलते थक गई। आंसर. Stages I and 2 not in deep sleep. Stage 3 and 4 deep sleep. Stage 5 your brain is active and you dream. Phase 1 involves no dreaming, normally it occurs in the early part of the night. Phase 2 involves dreaming. It occurs mostly in the later part of the night for varying periods of time. If we wake up during this phase, we will certainly remember our dreams. P.2.2 Long question answer. 1. Do all adults require the same amount of sleep? Find out how much sleep people of different age groups require. Answer. An average adult sleeps for 7 hours and 20 minutes. So, all adults do not require the same amount of sleep. Children of 5 to 12 years need 10 to 11 hours of sleep each night. Babies need to sleep for 14 to 18 hours. Elderly people need less sleep than they were young. They often take a nap during the day. 2. Why does the author not favor sleeping pills? Pick out the line that shows that the author does not favor them. Answer. The author does not favor sleeping pills because sleeping pills make people addicted to them. It creates other problems than sleep. So, the line that shows that the author does not favor them from the text is, it is better to avoid them if we can. It is much better to identify the problem and remove it. क्या तुमने अभी तक चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दिया या नहीं? नहीं किया तो अभी कर लो, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर तुम्हें फ्री में सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर के साथ साथ चैप्टर के भी वीडियो मिल जाएंगे। और हाँ, आप हमारे साथ इंस्टाग्राम, व्हाट्सएप और फेसबुक पर भी जुड़ सकते हैं, सो जल्दी से फॉलो करें। 3. Have you ever felt sleep problems in your life? Discuss in pairs and write down the possible causes of sleep problems. Answer. Sometimes I have sleep problems because of exam stress. Other possible causes of sleep problems can be some kind of physical or emotional pain, overthinking, etc. 4. What are the consequences of regularly missing sleep for long periods of time? Answer. The consequences or the results of regularly missing sleep for long periods of time are very bad. The affected person becomes abnormal. His ability to concentrate on things or studies and his judgement ability gets impaired. राधे राधे बच्चों को, फिर कल मिलते हैं, अपना ख्याल रखना।